Okay, so as promised, we're going to be a little bit about a premium. So the premium, first we have to follow the rule that we want exactly a simple maker's functionality, but also add some value. And I'm thinking of batch generation because I think batch generation is like really important thing, as well as the multi-line. So what I'm trying to do is to change the text position into a slider where you can put like a fine tuning place where you put, as well as the where is it? Yeah, text size. We can slide it. That's pretty good. Text color, all that, and maybe you can select different pre-made templates. So I would like personally like draw some template. So you can choose like my uh, property right. Can I say that like intellectual property right? Because I'm also a digital artist. I will draw lots of output where you can use, and our personal design things that you can use, and maybe got some like combination of image, so you can select multiple image that you can put it on like a head, and you can do multiple reaction. It's very good for making, say, the reaction video, and we can also batch generate text. So you can say like the say Swift UI loading, like something like this. Swift UI. Okay. I think it's better than just type it out. Okay. Swift UI series like one. Okay. So I'm going to make it bigger, something like that. And the backgrounds, I'm going to do something. I don't know, maybe something like this. Okay. Swift series, and I'm going to make it maybe top, center. I think center should be right. Yeah, about that. Right or center, doesn't really matter. Okay, and sorry, and I want this number to constantly changing. So this can save you huge amount of time. So for example, you get a Swift UI series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to say 100. You know, make 100 image, and as you guys can see, we already made this animation. Okay, so why not give it like a process bar, like gradually we're processing the first image, the second image, and all that. It will be fun, right? And of course, I think we can have multiple text where you can add, William James series. Okay, you can add it here, and you can add a like you can take a photo of you and maybe save it. Yeah, so we have to got like a database sort of thing. So store locally on your phone. Of course, you can use iCloud and use some of the backend that you provide. So you can provide like a personal storage, okay, and you can like subscribe. You can got like a login, and you subscribe to the service, and you can save it. But I personally think that yeah, maybe not involve that much because you don't know how big the market. You don't want to open a server just for one or two people because that will be economically unviable solution. Even though I tend to do that, but just not economical way, especially in this environment. So yeah, maybe just store locally and on user's iCloud. I think that's a good solution. So yeah, so we have to involve a little bit of database, a premium, but of course, you have to at least got all this the basic functionality correct, and I think the basic functionality is pretty good of this simple maker, especially if you got this tiny little focus, stay, move up, and leave. I'm pretty in love with this. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. So as you can see, I already created premium maker configuration, and I'm going to borrow most of the configuration here. Okay. Okay, sorry, I think I got something wrong. Just to copy this file, which is stupid. Sorry. I should copy things in here. Okay. And just get rid of foundation. And this is not simple maker, but rather premium maker configuration model. Okay. Select image overlay, select ratio. Yeah, of course, you can say the premium got more ratios. Okay, you can get like a premium ratio. So aspiration model, like a simple aspiration model, and like a premium aspiration model, where you can get all this. Yeah, we can make it like a free form selection. But I think just to stick with this one, because I think it's unnecessary. A lot of platforms do not specify like a free form ratio, so I think this is not a point where we should focus on. Text background color. Yeah, this text color we can add some. We can add some, template that we already designed, and we can put that in right there. I think that will be fun. Text color, we can add some templates of like a background or font, something like that. Okay, font, color, all that color palette. Yeah, it's a premium, right? They got you should think of it as a premium things. Vertical alignment. I think we are going to change this alignment to. Okay, I'm going to add some hint. Okay, because I often forgot. We are going to change the alignment to slider. Okay, so that means you can get left gradually to the center and gradually to the right. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe just add some of the slot. I think maybe that's a easier one. Or maybe, yeah, I got even better idea. Okay, I got even better idea. So I can control center, left, or right, but also, right, we can control the like a second like a small part where you can add some of the thing here, so Swift UI series 1, and then you could get like the intro of Swift UI, something like that, so you can get a second row. Yeah, I think I would do with that, because I think that's much more suitable for people's needs. Yeah, I think that's a good one. Or maybe multi tags. I think I would achieve a multi tags and then this. Yeah, it's just, yeah, I'm thinking aloud. Slider or multiple text control. So you can actually essentially you can switch. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, if you click here, you're editing this part. Okay, I may add some animation, even just to flash it a little bit, and then click here, or maybe as long as you enter into the focus state of a specific text field, you got this like a little animation, like shake a little bit, something like that. You know that you're editing this part, and then adding this part and this part, something like that. Yeah, that's also a good idea. But if you have to achieve that using Swift UI, you may need a little bit logic, because basically you are switching, and because you switch all this position as well as the color also switch, so you can individually change different color. Yeah, that's also a very interesting point. And of course, there are also like interaction between. I don't think this is a good idea, because if you say got this like a really big, okay, and you make it to the top, and there are some text that you can overlap, of course, but it's better to save at the bottom. So you may need to guide user, if you got some to the top, automatically they will go to the bottom, something like that. Or maybe you can just get use it like the free roam ability. You can place wherever you want. There's like no bad choice here. Just depending on the user's preference. So yeah. So still, yeah, I'm still thinking about this. But yeah, Premium Maker configuration model. Yeah, that's pretty good. So we got all this, and this is just a view extension. Why we need this extension? Okay, we did not need it. Yeah, we don't need it. Content view, Premium Simple Maker. Yeah, setting Premium Maker view. We haven't got that. So basically, I think I'm going to get all this code. Okay, get all this code inside the Premium Maker view. Okay, but I'm going to replace a lot of things, I think. First is Premium Maker view. Premium Maker view. Okay, and this should be Premium Maker view. And all the things I should, yeah, a lot of things I should be changed. So yeah, let's just leave it here because right now let's just get all this coupling file ready so we can quickly reference it here, because we have to think it through, right? Text position, select the top bar, preview component customization aspect ratio. If you are going to inherit all this thing, I think it's okay. Of course, you can add some premium specific components. So you can let me add new amplifier. This is not new amplifier. Sorry about that. What I'm thinking. This would be like components, like a normal, like common shared components. Okay, I'm going to say kind of like a rename that. Okay, shared components, and also I'm going to add the premium components. How to spell premium again? Component. Okay, so the premium components will get like the like seamless slider change of the position, maybe, and maybe some text field. Yeah, so the premium component may got the specific text field. So if you go back to Simple Maker view and you check the input text field, okay, and we're going to get text view model, all that overlay text. Yeah, good. So this will be the like the Simple Maker version of the text input. But if it's a premium text input, you may need something like a multi-line that you can switch. You got like a check mark, something like that. But right now I don't want to, because this maybe got a lot of coupling with other components, so I'm not sure. So I'll just leave it here. Okay. View model, Simple Maker view model. Obviously, we're going to add another view model, and hopefully this is a class. So I'm going to say there will be a Premium Maker, Premium Maker view model. Okay, and for now, of course, we got update because we got the preview functionality. Yeah, we also need the save functionality and or the render, all that. Yeah, we need that. Okay, so hopefully we can copy everything here. Go to here, and yeah, in fact, I think we don't need foundation of this one. Okay, and of course it's called Premium Maker View Model. Premium Maker View Model. Okay, so configuration, premium maker configuration. Okay, so all the coupling, we'll also need to change that. But first we can if you want to try it and you want, you know absolutely your refactor is absolutely correct, you can just use just absolutely same thing, and then just change the name a little bit, like change the simple maker to premium maker, simple maker configuration, premium maker configuration model, all that. Change the name around that, and you should be able to see, okay, this, and you can switch to premium, and everything is exactly the same. Of course, you can select image, you can save it, you can move it left or right, all that. Okay, so yeah, it's yeah, I might as well just do that. But it's pretty long. I'm gonna pause here because it's already pretty late, and I slept like 5 hours each day recently. So I'm going to go to bed early, and so tomorrow morning I will quickly get everything done and quickly go through all this for you guys. Okay, thanks, bye.